Oh, we're playing this again? What the fuck? Should I shotgun only? Shotgun, shotgun. I hate shotguns, dude.
Why? Isn't that good?
You know, one shot kill like close, but all the dudes fucking run around with them.
Well, that's what everyone does with every gun.
Well, yeah, because they're little fucking pussies.
Oh, that's how the game works.
No. I got a shit, dude. I really do.
Don't forget to not wipe.
No. God damn it.
I don't know. Should I go shit?
I don't know, should you? Wow.
I want to play 7 Days to Die. I'm not gonna shit. Fuck that. For pussies.
Oh, shotguns that are automatic are disgusting. That's what's disgusting. Oh, that clat.
He's talking about that.
I am. I got a shit.
What?
I just got 2 clats with a shotgun.
What? The double kill. What thirsty?
Had 5 kills without dying. Opponent is the defeat bonus.
Ooh. Holy cow, with a pistol.
I just went ham.
Louis. Ham. They're saying fuck this cheating kid. I think they're talking about you.
I know, I just replied who.
My game keeps crashing every time I go play single player.
What the fuck am I?
Oh, look at that self advertisement. Fucking bitch, bro.
Did he actually say that it was you? Huh? What?
No one said it was anything. Typed in fucking thing.
It's not a sellout. That's what smart people do.
I'm joking.
I'll fuck you up, mate.
Yeah, if you're using your name bot, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Breakfast and dinner.
People are just shitty on here, dude.
Boss? Boss?
Huh?
What the fuck is what? Kabliet, idiot, chuj, kurwa mać. Очень страшный.
Device.
Dobra.
Yep, using his name bot.
To all the people in the stream,
Here's an alt tab.
you have a hacker.
Why am I alt tabbing?
So I can see your program.
It doesn't come with program. It's not visual, dude. It's all off the radar, and it's in the Steam Workshop. It doesn't really get detected by cloud.
So that's
Yeah. Then he wears the Google Glass, and then when he winks, fucking aim blocks.
Oh my god.
yeah, dude, I can't even play single player because every time I go to play
7 days to die? Probably looked that up, dude. Or
I'm
clicked that.
40 and 10, dude. what? With this shotgun, which I hate shotguns.
Oh, give me bike. Give me bike.
Lol.
come on.
That was a joke. He should have killed me there.
Fuck. The one with the ones with the knife you?
Yeah. He was sitting in the corner.
Corner?
Yeah, yeah.
Trying to
The
like,
well,
get away.
the other guy that is to my left should have killed me.
Yeah. Yeah.
3 people, like 4 people left. 47 and 11.
Wow.
Well, look at this bullshit kill cam. Just looked at him and look.
Pop up.
Yeah, that was pretty easy. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Easy, huh?
What a joke.
He hit